Hi, this is Gary Kayye. We're here at the Sony booth at InfoComm 2018. I'm here with Anthony Cianfarano. Anthony's a product manager here at Sony. First off, thanks for joining me this late in the afternoon.
Thank you.
Bravia, big name, been around a while. People know it as high-end, and you've launched some new Bravia displays.
Correct. So Bravia is well known in the industry for having the best picture production, reproduction, but what we're trying to do is wrap some solution around it. So the models that we introduced are professional models. There's a lineup from 43 up to 100 inch. They're all based on the Android platform and also HTML5. So what we're doing is showing some of the different solutions that can be done with our displays.
So the one we have here behind us, what is this? Tell me about this. This is like a base model?
It's well, this is a 55-inch model in the new series called the BZ35F, and it is a standalone signage solution. So there's a digital signage player that runs off of a USB stick and can play HTML5, 4K movies, 4K video files, schedule, playlist, and slideshow.
And all Android based?
Yes.
Right. And then down here we have slightly larger displays in a couple different formats here.
Yeah, so these are different sizes, but they're running a solution that we call Bravia Signage, and this is a networked version. Okay. So now instead of having a standalone with USB, we have a networked version that can be managed from a PC server.
So in the network version, can the content be stored locally, or is it always streamed across the network?
Either way.
Either way, okay, that's what I thought. And then down here, you're showing a cloud-based solution, and in that case, the cloud-based solution, is it always streamed?
I don't know. I'm going to have to ask.
Is the cloud-based solution only streamed, or can it be stored locally every night? Okay, so,
yeah.
So it's just accessing the content off the cloud?
Yeah, so there are both the options. You can load the streaming content, like you can take YouTube Live or IPTV, and whatever content is in the cloud, you can download and play.
So you could do that overnight?
Yes.
Or you could theoretically stream it as well if you had a really reliable network?
Exactly.
Yeah, it's H.264?
H.264, RTMP,
yeah.
RTSP, all of them.
And you're using this as an opportunity to demo the display.
Right. Well, what we've done is we've eliminated the hardware player that would live external to the display and actually incorporated that into the display.
So it's a system on a chip built into the display itself?
Yes, yes. So there's no external player here.
Okay.
There are signage players running inside our display.
Okay, and then back here, you're showing sort of an application, right?
Yeah, this is a video wall solution. The Sony displays have various bezel sizes, and so this solution from Userful can take into account the difference in spacing between the displays. So we want to break out of the mold of the traditional 2x2, 3x3 bezel-to-bezel video walls and introduce a more creative concept in unique arrangements like this wall behind us.
Yeah, and what should be pointed out is it matters because you have to take into consideration the location of the monitor, but also the distance here, because if you just go from this pixel to this pixel, then the size, the basically proportions of people's bodies are wrong. So basically you have to, the angle here would be off if you didn't take into consideration the separation space there. So that's pretty substantial. So that's a physical and a digital calculation.
Yes, that's correct. And the Userful software takes that into account, and so it's ideal for our displays.
Yeah, this is a nice demo. Is that the 100-inch up there?
It's 85-inch on the top.
85-inch. Where's your 100-inch? You said you launched 100-inch?
At the show. The 100 inches in here.
So it's 100 inches in here, 100 inches in here. It's large to have you, all part of the Bravia line of professional displays. Anthony, thank you very much for showing us this. You can check all of this and see it all at Sony.com.